Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 14th of February 2022. Taking a look at Dash here. We looked at Dash last week, I think, if I remember correctly, or was it actually earlier? I think it was the 8th of February is when we looked at it last. So a little over a week ago. Is that right? Less than a week ago. I know my numbers. So this is a new 3-week candle. The one we looked at last week was just closed just above Sengu Span A. Same with the current week 3-week candlestick. It's hovering just above Sengu Span A. Sengu Span A has been the dominant support zone and level for Dash ever since really this week, February 15th of 2021. And unless something dramatic changes, Dash should hold that zone. I mean, if it were to drop down below and create an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout, I mean, we'd be talking about it trading in the $10 range possibly. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But there's a pretty wide expansion range that it could trade in, especially if it just comes, even if it comes up to visit the Tenkan-sen to test it as resistance. That'd be at 167. Weekly chart. It got rejected yesterday, last week. Bounced all the way up to 120, rejected, smacked in the face really up at the Tenkan-sen and hammered down. The low of the week was very close to the close of the week. Rather, the close of the week was very close to the low of the week. And then, you fast forward to this week, and we're trading up just a tiny bit, even though it is the first day. You do have some signs that there could be a turnaround here, especially with some regular and hidden bullish divergences showing up on the daily chart at least. So we could see a little bit of a bounce here higher and at least some type of recovery rally, possibly up to that 180 zone. Zipping on over to the daily chart, you can see without even having to draw it, there should be a trend line there, and same kind of pattern that we looked at in the last two the video I just did on VeChain, and I don't think it was on Shiba Inu, but VeChain has a very clear hidden bullish divergence set up here. Higher highs, higher close within the candlestick chart, but lower lows in the oscillator. So there's definite signs that you could see a bullish breakout occur. Critical zone for Dash right now is to get a daily close at $110 or higher. If that occurs, upside potential is likely going to be limited to the 144 zone today. But really, and this is another thing that's very common across all the altcoins, probably have to wait a week, to the 20th or so, 6-7 days before we see a bullish breakout above the cloud. We'll probably just see it kind of trade sideways for now, and then see it break out next week. But we'll see, or the end of the week, or actually this upcoming weekend. But the downside risks, they're there. There's some big ones. If it doesn't hold support, it's really kind of in a price discovery zone on the short side. If it dips below 80, if you get a daily close at 87 or 86, it could be a deep drive south. Probably at 75 because that's the next psychological number. But definitely, if you see it break up around 120, that could trigger a nice rally and move towards the prior major swing high around that 250 zone. So something to look out for. I'll keep it updated from All State Exchange Rates UK TV. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.